Firstly, hold the instrument by your left hand through A-frame or standards. Firmly hold the instrument with these standards. Otherwise, it is great chance to fall down from your hand, because this instrument is rotate in 3 plane, 2 plane, 3 direction. Its center of gravity is possibly changes with your hand, and its weight is nearby 5 to 8 kilograms, so it may be fell down from your hand. So if you take the instrument, you hold the instrument with these standards, not hold like this or like any other portion like this. Only hold with the standards or this A-frame. Okay, then the instrument is placed over tripod and using permanent temporary adjustments like dumbbell level used to level this instrument. Firstly, level the instrument. Repeat this work 2 or 3 times, or number of times when this spirit level come its center of run. Okay, that is right. And in normal case, we take the reading in the position of theodolite normal. That means vertical circle is left side of your observer's face. Then firstly, you want set up your reading in A scale should be 0 0 before you taking the reading. So firstly, watch where is the A scale. Yes, this is B scale, so this is the A scale. A scale, and you rotate using unclamp the upper plate or lower plate, and early I say I will explain the usage of lower plate and upper plate. Upper plate is the reading movement plate, and the lower plate is the rotation arresting plate. So when you want change the reading, you lose the upper plate. So now the upper plate is loose, and I try to, yes, I arrest the lower plate as well as the upper plate, and the reading is reading in A scale almost 0 0, and I using the fine motion screw, and I exactly coincide the A scale reading. The main scale reading is 0, and the A scale vernier reading is 0 0 0 coincide is happening here. 0 0 coincide is happening here. Then it should be the upper plate should be in tight position, because when you lose this upper plate, the vernier is constant there, and the lower plate is moving beneath the upper plate, and the reading is going different. So upper plate should be tighten when you rotate the instrument without changing the reading. So using the lower plate, then now I release the lower plate and rotate the instrument. Release the lower plate and rotate the instrument in anti-clockwise direction and also clockwise direction. So many times I rotated this, but the reading should be, it remain same. In A scale it is 0 0. There is no change because the upper plate is arrested here. When I tighten the lower plate and release the upper plate and rotate this instrument, the reading will be changed. Now I want to take a model reading for you. That is, we are placed two ranging rods. One is there. One is there, and the other ranging rod is that position. One is middle of survey lab, the other is right side of my right side near the veranda. I want to take the reading, so I use the vertical circle on my left face, that is theodolite normal face, and I use a right swing, this direction swing. So I placed this 0 0 on that direction. Now I can see the ranging rod through this direction. Now I close the lower plate. Now the two plate is arrested. Instrument will not be moved anymore. Two plate is arrested, and I can see the ranging rod here, but my vertical line is not exactly in center of that point, so I use the lower plate tangent screw for exact bisection of that point. That means I rotate this fine movement screw left ways or right ways, and finally my vertical line coincides with the center of that ranging rod. That is the exact bisection. Now my telescope is pointing to exact that ranging rod, and the reading in A scale remain. A scale is there, remain 0 0. There is no change in the reading. Now I want a reading of, suppose that point is A, this position is O, that point is B. I want the reading between AOUB, angle AOB. I placed, first look through A and placed 0 0 mark in the instrument here, A scale 0 0, and now I release the upper plate screw. When you release the upper plate or lower plate, instrument will be rotate. But when you release the upper plate and rotate the instrument, the reading also change. Here is the 0 0 reading and the instrument is changing. That means the vernier is still there and the instrument is rotate to look through the next point B, and from this process I use only upper plate arresting screw and upper plate tangent screw, because I want the exact point and the exact reading. So if we take this upper plate, I can read the exact reading. If we use the lower plate, the reading will not be changed. Now I exactly bisect the second point, that means B. Now Now angle AOB is in the A scale. Now the angle AOB we can read from the A scale. Yes, I can read this point 63 degree 40 minute in the main scale, 63 degree 40 minute in the main scale, and there is a vernier and exact coincidence with the vernier and the main scale, that is 10 minute 20 second. So my reading is 63 degree 40 minute and 10 minute 20 second. That means 63 degree 50 minute 20 second is the exact reading. 63 degree 50 minute 20 second. Then it is complete this reading. For the exactness of our instrument, and if any error in the reading, we check the B scale also, that is 243 degree 40 minute, 243 degree 40 minute, (10 minute 20 second). 10 minutes 20 second, that is exactly this instrument is correct, because A scale and B scale is exactly differ from 180 degree 00 minute 00 second. In such cases, the A scale and B scale reading exactly 180 degree difference. Sometimes the instrument firstly showing 0 degree 0 minute 0 second in A scale, but B scale showing 0 degree sometimes 1 minute or 0 minute and 20 second difference. That difference every time is showing by any reading, and that before we taking recording the reading, the first reading is A scale reading and B scale reading, and on that position B scale reading is 20 minute above 20 minute plus. That difference should be maintained every reading, that we kept in mind, and verify this thing every time when you take the reading.
Repetition.
കഴിഞ്ഞു നിർത്തുക.